Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. And now I'm here to give you some very important information about Proton Mail. Yes, the review, my first 30 days of using it. How I opened a new account, I used it, and this is the conclusion. This is what I went through. Now, if you're thinking about switching to a more private email, then know that Proton Mail actually is really good. You see, I used Proton Mail for about 30 days and here's my honest up-to-date review about it. First, the big question, what is it? You see, Proton Mail is a secure, privacy-focused email service based in Switzerland. This means it operates under some of the world's strongest privacy laws. The core feature is end-to-end encryption. When you send an email to another Proton Mail user, it's encrypted on your device and only decrypted on theirs. Even Proton cannot read it. You can also send encrypted emails to non-Proton users using a password and a hint. Now, after 30 days, the pros were very clear to me. Number one, on my security. The peace of mind is real. Your inbox isn't being scanned for ads at all. The second advantage was open source and audited. The code is public for experts to verify and it's regularly independently audited. 3. Ecosystem. It's not just email anymore. Your account gives you access to Proton Drive for cloud storage, Proton Calendar, and a built-in VPN, which is a huge value boost. Then the next was clean, modern design. The web and mobile apps are sleek, intuitive, and feel just like any other modern email client. But it is not perfect. Here are the cons that I actually experienced. 1. The walled garden effects. While you can encrypt emails to outsiders, the seamless experience is really with other Proton users. So this can feel a bit limiting. The second con was limited search. Because your emails are encrypted, you cannot search the full body of old emails on the server. Search works best for subject lines and contacts only. Number 3, the free plan is limited. Some people said they got 500 megabytes of storage. I got 1 gigabyte of storage and 1 email address, which is enough when you're going to just try it. But more serious users will want a paid plan to unlock all the features and more storage. So who is it for? If a journalist, activist, someone in a sensitive profession, or just anyone increasingly concerned about digital privacy, it's an absolute no-brainer. But even for the average user, it's a fantastic privacy-respecting alternative to big tech giants.
And then
the paid plans are competitively priced, especially when you consider getting an entire privacy suite, not just email.
There is asking if
so my final verdict after 30 days is Proton Mail delivers exactly what it promises. It's a powerful, secure, and user-friendly service that puts your privacy first. It has evolved into a complete platform, and as of now, it remains a top contender in private communication. It is not just an email service, it's a statement. So what do you value more? Ultimate convenience or ultimate privacy? Let me know in the comments, and if you want to try it for yourself, you can just simply head on to proton.me and then sign up on the web version and then download the apps.